So you guys, it may not look like a whole lot. We're looking at a big grassy field, but this is going to be the future of agriculture in Alaska. So we're going to be planting the first ever nut trial in the state of Alaska. We're going to be starting with hazelnuts, but we're going to expand to chestnuts and walnuts as well. And we're going to be planting these out in a field trial here in Palmer, Alaska. And we're going to determine the viability of them into the future. We're also going to experiment with regenerative practices, including shelter belt planting, hold down the soil, conserve moisture, and to buffer our planting from the wind. We're going to be growing all these crops that haven't been bred, haven't been worked on in Alaska, weren't possible when the Matanuska Experimental Farm was developed in the early 1900s, but that future is here. Plums, cherries, apricots, and that's what we're going to do. We're going to start planting these out, and we're going to start breeding them. We're going to start selecting them, because Alaska is 20, 30, 50 years behind the power curve when it comes to breeding specialty cultivars that are acclimated to our climate. So we're going to change that. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The next best time is now. When it comes to food security, this is how we take it on. Show what we can do, and everybody takes the reins, because food security is in everybody's best interest, and it brings us together as a society.